Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel, and today we're going to be talking about the placard sets for the interior of your Grumman, whether it's 2-place or 4-place. We'll be showing the ones for the 4-place, but these are by Moody Aero-Graphics. So give them a call. They're in Florida. They have a toll-free number. You can reach them on the web, but again, you can go and order all the placards for the interior of your aircraft and make the inside start to look really nice, just like your new interior and your new carpeting. So stay tuned while we explore the placard set.
I'd like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Now these interior placard sets, by the way, they come in a big plastic bag, but there's basically two sheets. There's this sheet, which basically has all your placards for the sides of the fuselage up on the top. So that tells you how to open your canopy, where not to step. Those are your basic big placards, and they are for the Alpha 5, the 5A, and the 5B, controlling all your speeds. But then the second sheet is the really interesting one, and that has all the interior stuff that you need, plus a lot of labels for all your avionics, for on, off, RNAV, and you have all the placards, including the one fun one there in red, which is your panic button. I had that on my Tiger, and Garner always got a kick out of it. But it's a complete placard set. They are very nicely done on a foil. They are silver with black coating, so they match our black interiors fairly nicely. And again, just go ahead and peel them off and place them very carefully. There was one gentleman once that had his airplane in judging at a convention, and his placards were all crooked, and they remarked on that, and that's because he had applied them while he was flying across Nebraska on his way to the convention, so they were a little crooked. But again, these are the graphics from Moody Aero-Graphics, and they're in Florida. Give them a call and order a set for your airplane. Not very expensive at all in the grand scheme of things. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this information useful and informative. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day flying your Grumman. And ladies and gentlemen, here's the newest member of our family, unnamed yet, but this cute little 5-week-old kitten is now a new member of the family, and I'm going to have to warn you, she is just filled with adorableness. She is so cute. When she went to the event, they all oohed and awed over, and there's my hand for reference on what size the kitten is. So stay tuned for some more film. We'll be having this kitten appear as she grows up and becomes a bigger part of the family. Thank you.